Water is life, and wetlands are the life support systems that sustain it. These special places where land and water meet create ecosystems essential for biodiversity, water filtration, and climate security. In India, wetlands are diverse and widespread, ranging from the high-altitude wetlands of the Himalayas to coastal mangroves and village ponds. According to the National Wetland Atlas, India has 15.26 million hectares of wetlands, covering 4.6% of the country's land area. Wetlands are crucial sources of water for many cities. Kollam in Kerala relies on wetlands for its water supply, while the Bhuj wetlands are the lifeline for Bhopal. Known as the kidneys of landscape, wetlands help filter polluted water. Plants like water hyacinth and duckweed absorb pollutants, trapping them in their tissues. However, not all pollutants can be managed, and human impact often exceeds the wetland's capacity. For example, wetlands treat the city's sewage, transforming it into productive fish and vegetable farming areas. Wetlands stabilize water regimes, reducing flood risks. On the coast, wetlands like mangroves act as natural buffers against storms, protecting shorelines from tsunamis and cyclones. Wetlands are also incredible carbon sinks, capturing and storing greenhouse gases. This helps regulate the climate and mitigate the effects of global warming. The role of wetlands will only grow more important as extreme weather events become more frequent. Wetlands are vital for global food security. More than 1/5 of the world's food supply, including rice and fish, comes from wetlands. Fish harvested from wetlands provide essential protein to millions, while wetland plants such as water chestnut form a staple part of many diets. Wetlands teem with life. They are biological supermarkets supporting countless species. Migratory birds escaping harsh winters use wetlands as rest stops on their long journeys. In India, nearly 250 species of water birds rely on wetlands for breeding and feeding grounds. But despite their importance, wetlands are under threat. Globally, nearly half of all wetlands have disappeared. In India, urbanization, industrialization, and agricultural expansion are major causes of wetland degradation. The loss of these ecosystems has serious consequences, leading to more frequent floods, droughts, and a loss of biodiversity. By conserving wetlands, we conserve life, ours, and that of countless species. Wetlands are irreplaceable ecosystems, and it is our responsibility to protect them for future generations.